morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Shinas. I am doing BPharm first year in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science, Coimbatore. Today I am going to discuss about CLT. In CLT, my topic is artificial intelligence of MRI scanning. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Artificial intelligence for MRI. Artificial intelligence promises to augment workflows in radiology in many ways by providing supporting tools, particularly for high standardized and respective tasks that from the identification and delineation of anatomical structures and organs and the corresponding extraction of the quantitative parameters. How is AL used in MRI? When a patient climbs into a MRI scanner, it peers inside their body to reveal the complex anatomy within, like the ligaments and tendons in a knee. But in January, before COVID struck, some patients who needed their knee scanned at the NYC Langone Health started getting intensely scanned twice. Evidence-based medicine and AI. In addition to definition the target demographics accurately, all AI solutions must be evidence-based and all AI tools used in radiology are expected to comply with STARD. Similarly, clinical application based on predictive models required transparency with follow-up intervals and outcomes delineated in accordance with tripod reporting of multivariable prediction model of intelligent programs of diagnosis. Clinical applications. Algorithms are keys. As an accurate, rapid, reproducible, and user-friendly tool, AI may substitute a radiologist in specific cases. For example, estimation of bone age. AI may also be used as an adjunct to radiologists' inspiration based on machine learning algorithms. For instance, radiologists can perform liver transplantation in patient diagnosed with liver cancer based on the total tumor volume determined via instant lesion segmentation. Role of AI in TI-weighted MRI for diagnosis of AD. AI classifiers were recently used in combination with the MRI to distinguish patients with mild AD from those who were concentrated for treatment. In brain studies performed using structural TI-weighted MRI combined with an AL classifier based on specific neurophysiological measures, patients with abnormal features were identified almost 2 years prior to a definitive diagnosis. Automated, sensitive, objective and cost-effective intervention. MRI is considered as less expensive than positron emission tomography and is a non-invasive and frequently used diagnosis modality worldwide. MRI is recommended for the identification of neural degeneration of AD and to monitor AD progression in clinical trials. However, the signs of mild neurodegenerative degeneration are not always perceptible to radiologists. Further, it is not always possible to predict AD development based on MRI alone. Recent FDA approvals. United States Food and Drug Administration recently cleared several image analysis applications using AI 30. The Astris Oncology AI should represent the first EDA clearance for oncology imaging via deep learning for radiological measurement and tracking of potential cancers. Initial deep learning approaches involving ATRIS were designed for liver MRI and computed tomography scans as well as for lungs TN scans. That's all about my CLT video. Thank you for watching my video.